Hi, welcome back to Maree. I want to share a new recipe I just created. It's my black rice mushroom lettuce wraps. Delicious, gluten-free, vegan, and a light, refreshing idea for entertaining, for lunch, for dinner. We love them, and then there's extras so you could have them in a wrap or in crepes. But the lettuce is a fun way to eat the black rice mixture. So I'll show you what I did. On a medium heat, I need to cook my onions until they're soft and my mushrooms until they're kind of all shriveled up and the moisture's out of them. So what I do is I cook them in a splash of oil, so about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then I like to use butter with my mushrooms because it just adds really nice flavour, or you can use your choice. And so I've got one sliced onion, and in here I've got about 200 grams of chopped button mushrooms. That ended up being about 2 cups, I think, or just over 2 cups. And that'll take about 10 to 15 minutes to get all cooked down. Into that, I'll add some salt and pepper now. You don't need to do too much salt because I'm using salted butter. So I've already prepared my cooked black rice. I actually had some in the freezer. And there's quite a lot today. There's about 350 grams. You can do anything from 200 to 350. So you can do anything from 1 to 2.5 cups. I've defrosted some edamame beans to go in later on. That's 1/3 of a cup. And shortly I'll add in some fresh ginger and garlic. You can use ginger paste and garlic. And this is one of my ingredients I just recently discovered. It's a Korean fermented chili paste called gochujang. And that's delicious. I'm going to add some of that. And I'll also add a splash of tamari. If you don't have tamari, you can use soya sauce. And then I'm going to add some greens at the end. I've got parsley today, so I'm going to add some parsley chopped up. And I'll add that with the greens about 5 minutes before serving. I'm just going to prepare my parsley while that's cooking. This is the style of lettuce I'm using today, which is a romaine lettuce. And behind me, I've just started preparing the leaves. I've washed them and putting them on the platter, and I'm just chopping off the brown ends. So if you've got any brown ends, you can do that now. I think that's been about 10 minutes. So I think it's a good time now to add some garlic. I think in my recipe I said 1 crushed garlic. I'm going to do 2 today. I've been a bit sick with a flu, so I think I need a little bit of extra garlic to get rid of the germs. And I've got 1 fresh piece of ginger. I'm just going to grate that in. If you don't want to grate it, you can also just chop it small. For the last piece, I'm just going to chop that up actually to pop it into the pan. I don't mind having a few larger pieces. We'll cook that for a few more minutes. They're looking great. Okay, now I can add a splash of tamari. I say a splash, but it's about a tablespoon. Generous splash. I'm going to do a generous teaspoon of the chili paste. This is optional. It just tastes delicious. Spicy without too much heat. I'm going to add in the rice and another splash of olive oil. Now you can also add in some red pepper, you can add in some zucchini, grated carrot. The final step is, it's just about cooked. I'm going to add the edamame beans, stir it through. Okay, I don't have fresh coriander, but I've got some frozen coriander, which I've had in the freezer. So I'm just going to add some of that in. I think I'm going to use it all. There was about a tablespoon left in that box. Whoops, I just dropped it all on the floor, Sue. For the final 5 minutes, I'm just going to put the lid on. Okay, what I'll do is I'm going to serve all the rice in the lettuce leaves. I think I've got too many. So serve it like this. Put maybe 1 to 2 spoonfuls. Then each guest can wrap it up. And it gets a bit messy to try and wrap it. And Of course, today, when I want to show you this, when I took the lettuce out of the fridge, it's a bit smaller. The leaves are smaller than the first time I did it. But you can also use this mixture into any other kind of wrap. I might have to be not so generous with my rice today. So my black rice mushroom lettuce wraps are done. So I'm going to grab one and try and roll it up. So it can be a little bit messy. All right, that one didn't roll very well, but I've just put it there, and then you can use a knife fork or you can just bite into it. It's a really delicious, shouldn't talk with my mouth full, a delicious healthy wrap. I love the contrast of the spiciness with the freshness of the lettuce, and then you've got the texture of the rice and the mushrooms and the edamame beans. Hope you've enjoyed my black rice mushroom lettuce wrap. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a go. And if you don't have lettuce in the house, you can use just ordinary wraps. You can do it in some crepes, but it looks so fun. Look at that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hej då from Sweden.